fuel it was. So we need to work on that. We need to work on the next called DL, definition list. Okay, we need to work on next call DL, definition list. Definition list. Okay. So let's come to the developer guide and make a note here. Under the DL, we have two sub-element. Under the DL, we have two sub-element. Under the DL, we have two sub-element. One is called DT. It's called as a definition title. Next will be called as a DD, definition details. Hope you are making a note somewhere. DD and DT, definition title and definition details. Definition title and definition details. Now definition title, what you will do of that? Okay, it is for it used to create headline. Title, you can say title of a post. Title of a post. Suppose you are posting something on internet. Suppose you are posting some internet, you are posting a question. For that question, there will be one title and there will be some answer for that. So the question what you are going to post, question will come under the DT, definition title. Suppose you are posting a question, where is a Bangalore? So where is a Bangalore become a DT, definition title. One person will reply answer in Bangalore, sorry, in Karnataka, in Tamil Nadu, in MP, in UP, right? So those will become a DD, definition details. So I wrote here, it used to create the title of a post. Another one, it used to create details of the post. Instead of create, you can write here display. It used to display title of the post and it used to display details about a post. About a post. It used to create display details about a post. It used to display the title of the post. It used to display details about a post. Okay, hope ready. Now come, we'll create the next file, example6.html in HTML folder, and there we will implement it. Okay, so you are creating a file, example6.html, there we will implement it. So hope we wrote it. Now I will move next and create the next file, or writing anyone. Please write it. This one we can write here. Example 6.html, and it should go to the folder called HTML. Example 6.html should go to the HTML folder. HTML open close. Then body you will start. You will come inside. We'll use h1 dl definition list example. Definition list example. Come down. Open the DL tag. Close the DL tag. Follow the DT. Write a question. Where is Bangalore? One question. Now for that DD, one DD. In Tamil Nadu. In Karnataka. In AP. Then in UP. So one becomes a question and this all becomes an answer. Multiple choice questions you have seen on internet. Those also you can use here. That also can be done here. Okay, hope written, save it. We will check in browser once what is going to come. Save it, run once. Something like this. Where is Bangalore? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, AP, UP, right? You found options. Question is starting from beginning, right? Title is starting from beginning, and the definition list details is little after some space, some gap you can find here. This is their default structure. This is their default structure. Hope working. Please let me know in the chat. Okay, cool. Next, after that, add one more option here. Add one more DT. Definition title. AJAX. Ajax stands for okay, stands for TANDS stands for. This is one question. Write a DD A asynchronous call asynchronous JavaScript and XML asynchronous JavaScript XML. ASYNCHRONOUS asynchronous. So this become a question and this all become a answer. In that, which is the valid answer? People have to choose, or maybe you have posted on internet. So in that reply will come. In that reply, some people will reply right, some people will reply as wrong. Or you have posted one question, people are replying as a comment. So your question post will come under the DT and the reply of the user will come under the DT. DT and DT. Check. Okay, hope written, save it. The words will be difficult word, asynchronous here there. I can share you this much in the chat. It's the wish of individual. Huh?
Yes, I did. There is better game, na? Then put some lamination first. Lamination. But it's silver one, na? Silver. Some damage or maybe. Silver color. Silver color. उसमें lamination जरूरी है.
रुकिए ना.
तो आज चेंज करवाए कब
written. Check now. Output is here. Output is here. DT is starting from little forward. DT after some space. DT again from forward. DT after space. Now come to the code and do little changes in that. It's not able to identify the title and definition. Space wise is okay. Now some formatting will do. Go for this DD. Inside the DD, open another tag called font. Tag called FONT, font. Color equal to green. Color equal to green. And close the font in the last. Using the font tag, we can change the color. Using the font tag, we can change the color. Font color equal to green. So it will come in the green color. Change the size. 1 is the minimum, 7 is the maximum. I'll keep 6. 1 is the minimum and 7 is the maximum using HTML. In HTML, 1 is the minimum and 7 is the maximum. Okay. Now you will check the font size will come bigger as well as it will come in green color. Font size will come bigger as well as it will come in which color? Green color. Okay, so that's look like this. See here. Where is Bangalore? Let me keep it as 7. You will see it will come little more big size. Is here. See. Same way you can do for the second DD also. In the second DD also you can write the similar way. You can add here font color as a green, size 7. Green change to red color and then close the font. Hope written, check now. You will find big font size, different color will appear. Before this DT, we can write some BR also to break the line. Will be okay. 1 BR will break line once. 2 BR will break the line 2 times. 1 BR will break the line once. 2 BR will break the line 2 times. Okay, now some space will get applied. Let me know once you've done it, we can go for the next example. Okay, now we will go ahead with the next example. So come to the developer guide. Hopefully it will look like this. So this is called DT, definition title, and this is called definition details. So title is a question, and details is nothing but multiple choice option. Multiple choice option. Here also is a question, here multiple choice option. Right? Next topic we have how to link the pages. 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 So we have a tag called a href equal to next file name, next file / path target equal to something, title equal to something. Next after that text to link, close the e tag. Text to link, close the e tag. Right below a is tag name. A is tag name. A is a tag name. href is attribute name or property, you can write simple. Property. Property for what purpose? Used to set path, location, path for next page. Used to set path for next page, where it should go. Target. is nothing but used to set location for next file as where it should open. You have experience from internet. Sometime you open the new tab. You have experience from internet. Sometime when you click on internet, when you click on a link, new tab will open. New tab will open. Sometime pop-up window will open. Sometime blank tab will open. That all are the because of this target property. We are going to create the example and understand how the target property is going to work. Okay, target property. Why do tab? Open and close, yeah. Two time is a double quote open and double quote close. It's not two time, it's double quote open and double quote close. Okay, it's a double quote open and close. It's not two time. Double quote open and close. Double quote open, double quote close. So A is a tag name. href is used to set the path for the next file, next page. Target used to set the location for next file as where it should open. Open as a new tab, blank tab, or what. It has 7 types. Right below type of target. Type of target. One is called underscore self. Underscore self. Second one is called underscore new. Third is called underscore blank. Fourth is called underscore parent. Fifth is called underscore child. Sixth is called user defined. According to our wish, we can create. Those are called as a target. We'll implement and we'll say. Last we have called title. Okay. It used for digital marketing. Digital marketing. It used for digital marketing. It used for digital marketing. Title. It explain about link to Google. It explain about link to Google. When you click somewhere on hyperlink, what is the purpose of that hyperlink? Why you have given the hyperlink? Google wanted to know that. Search engine wanted to know that. So the purpose of the hyperlink we explain through this property. That is called title. Make a note. Then we'll create 2 examples and we'll implement it. We will create a file called product.html and you will create a file called details.html, product.html, and next file called details, details, details.html. Two files will create, product.html as well as details.html. So written, create two files, product.html and details.html. Product.html, and one more file is required, that is called details.html. Now come to the product.html file. HTML you start here, follow the body tag, next after that you will write one h1, you will write one h1, h1, we can write inside product list, one heading, below we can use a division tag. You will ask what is the purpose of division tag? Div tag itself is explaining it is to divide the page into multiple blocks. Div used to divide the page into multiple blocks. Div used to divide the page into multiple blocks. Okay. Now let's go here, follow one h2, keep call apple red. Come down below, use a p tag. Using the paragraph, you display some text for the apple. Now come down using del tag, del. Del tag will del tag will help you to show the old price. Rupees 350 was the old price, and after that use the next tag called ins. Insert is called delete and insert. Offer rupees 300 per kg. So what will happen in this? In this it will happen 350 will come as a overline. 350 will come like the cross, will come like the overline. It will say is the old price. 300 rupees will come as a underline. It will show as a current price. After that, one BR is required. One more BR is required, or maybe one BR we can use. Then we can write EHREF. Go to the next page. Call more details. More details. You will go to the next page called details.html. Title I will not use here. Title also we can use here. Sorry, target property we will discuss in another example. Title we can write here. Click for more. Something. Click for more. Just write it. Okay, one division is for one product. Like suppose we have 10 product, this division will get copy paste. We are talking about a static content, not dynamic content. Save this file. Let me run and show you. Just look like this. Apple, old price is underlined, new price is here, and more details. Sequence. Is it happening or not happening? Is it loading or not? One hyperlink will keep. We'll add one more product below. And then we'll go for the clicking part. When we click more details, what will happen? Okay, done. Check now, your page look like this. More details. When you click on more details here, when I'm moving here, it is saying click for more. Click for more. That is called title. Click for more is coming. That is called as a title. Next, we'll work on the next file. Next, we will work on the next file that is called details page. In this product page, let it be one product details and go for the next one. Details.html file. Anyone completed? Okay, cool. So many people says yes, yes. Come to the done or doing. Doing. Okay, come to details page. Details page. In details page, HTML, follow the body, write the H1, product details. Come below, write a paragraph, anything, ABCD, 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 you write it, okay? Go for the next line, write ABCD, ABCD, no problem. Go for the next line, ABCD, no problem. ABCD, ABCD. Write the words with a space, okay? Don't write word without a space. Don't press the E and keep hold, okay? It will break your page. Now come down below. Write one more paragraph. So P tag used to display the text data. P tag. One shortcut I'll teach you here. If you are using the Notepad++, one very good shortcut is there. That shortcut is, suppose if I want to copy this line, right? Suppose you want to copy that line and paste below. Assume like one line you have that you want to copy and paste again. So mostly what we do, we select it, after that we copy it, then we paste it, correct? Select, copy and paste. That is the process to do. Select, copy and paste is the process to do. Another option we have, keep your cursor in the last, whichever the line you want to copy. Suppose you want to copy this line, keep your cursor at the end and press Control plus D for Suresh. He will take tomorrow. Java. So keep your cursor in the last. Control D, you can press. Control D. Keep your cursor in the last, whichever the line you want to copy, and press Control plus D. D. Control plus D. Control plus D. That line will become duplicate. That line will get copy and paste in the last. That line will get copy and paste again in the last. Okay. Now let's come back right here. A href equal to previous page, that is called product dot html. Right here call more product, or maybe back to list. Maybe back to list. Back to list. Okay. Save now. Save now. Run the page. Click on more details. It will go to the details page. Oh, what is the file name I have given? See my, okay. The problem is I have saved in different folder. I should save in the same folder, HTML folder. Details.html. Details.html. If I run that, click here, it will go to the details page. Again, back to list, coming to the product, more details, back to list, more details, back to list. Right? Please check once your page is linking or not. When you click on the back to list and more details, it should be able to go to the details page and it should be able to come to the main page. Okay, hope working. But condition is both the files should be in one folder. Files should not be in different folder. Both the file must be in the same folder. Then only it is going to work. Okay, cool then. Go ahead next. Page linking is happening. Page linking is happening. Linking is happening. The target was to understand AHREF. What is the AHREF and how it works? So Ahref is helping us. Ahref is helping us to navigate from one page to other page. From one page to other page. Now we will understand this target. Target. What we have written called target. So now you can understand first three. Now we can understand the first three. Underscore self, underscore new, underscore blank. Underscore self, underscore new, underscore blank. Self, new and blank. Self, new and blank. Self, new and blank. Okay. We are going to understand now. Self, new and blank. So create two more file. Create two more file to understand that. Create two more file to understand that. One file to create. What we need to understand? Underscore new underscore self underscore blank. What is that? Target. So create a file called job.html. 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 One file. Job.html. And create one more file. jd.html. Job.html and one more file jd.html. So hope is clear. Not jobs. Job, J-O-B, job. Job.html and another file jd.html. Hope both files are created. Come to the JD. Both are in the same folder. JD. HTML you start from and HTML end as well. Go inside. Follow the body. Come inside. Write the H1. Write the H1. Right there. The job description will come here. Will come here. Open a p tag. Write some text ABCD. Open and copy paste this p tag 3-4 times. Same copy paste 3-4 times. Anything your wish, whatever you want, write it. We wanted to understand the target property. First 3 points. What is that and how it works? Hope JD is ready. Let's come to the job.html. We'll come to the job.html. job.html file. We will write HTML, follow the body tag, open close. Right inside H1, Java developer, 5 years experience. Write a paragraph below. Keep inside some text. Write a BR. Write some text. Again keep a BR. Write some text. Write a BR. And let it be that much. Come down. Write ahref equal to ahref equal to jd.html. jd.html. More details, or maybe read more. Read more. Complete till here. Let me know quickly in the chat. Okay, cool. Next, after that, let me explain you. New meaning is what? Blank meaning is what? Write it. We'll go to the developer file, developer guide page. We will make an or first implement here only. First implement, then we'll make a note. So run the job.html file. We'll run the HTML file. Job.html file. Click on read more. It will go to next page. It's gone to the next page. I will go back again. Again, I will click here. Go on to the next page. Go back. Click next. Go back. Click next. Go back. Click next. Go back. Click next. Right? You can see I click 3-4 times. Any new tabs are opening? No new tabs. Just clicking and going to the next. Like next page is coming in the same tab. Come here. In the job file, let me write now target equal to underscore self. 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 Okay. Now, after that, let me run the page. And you need to tell me any difference is there or not. Before that, there was no any target at all. Now we have added the target. So when I click here, read more, still same thing is happening. Is it? See here. Here. When I am clicking here, without self, target also it was the same. Now we added the target as a self, then also happening the same. It's not opening the new tab at all. When we are clicking on next, it is going to the next page. It's not opening the new tab. It's not opening the new tab. Okay. So what it represent? It represent like target equal to underscore self is the default one. Target equal to underscore self is the default. If you not write anything target, by default will be self only. If you are not writing anything under the target, default will be self. Default will be self. We have written now, then also same output. We have not written, then also it was the same output. That represent target equal to self is the default target. Now next, go to the developer guide and make a note here. Self meaning is what? It open the next page in same tab. It open the next page in the same tab. It's default. By default is by default is underscore self. By default target is by default target is underscore self. By default target is underscore self. If you have not written anything, if you click on a hyperlink, the next page will open within the same tab, same tab, same tab. If you click on the link, if you have given the target equal to self, then also it's appear in the same tab. That meaning target equal to self is the default target. Underscore new and blank will guide you properly. So hope you are writing the note. Underscore self, what it says, it open the next page in the same tab. By default target is underscore self. Okay, then now let's go. Write for underscore new. What it will do? It open new tab. It open the next page in new tab, but only first click. It open the next page in the new tab, but when? Only the first click. It open the next page in the new tab when only at the first click. Only at first click. Underscore blank, what it will do? Right here. It open we have to implement, still don't worry. It open the next page in new tab, but every click, but every click. So ready? Let's come to that file now. Job.html file. Come to that job.html file. In job.html file, I will write here, hope you have written. It was simple line. In job.html, you can write here underscore new. You can also write. Underscore new you have written. Let me show you now. You can look into the my page carefully. See here, I went to the page, first page. Okay, refresh it. I will click on read more. New tab is opened. New tab I will not touch. First tab. Again I will click read more. It's gone to the second tab. 2 times I have clicked. Again in the first tab I will click again. It's gone to the second tab. Again I will click here. It's gone to the third tab. Like overall I click 3-4 times. It should open 3-4 tab. But it's open only how many tab? Only one tab. Let's look again. One tab is exist. Click here. Second is opened as a new. Again I will click here. It's gone directly to the new. Again I click here. Gone to where new. Again, I click here, gone to the new. It was supposed to open 3-4 times, but it's open only one tab. Whenever we are clicking, it's just redirecting to the second page. It's not opening the tab again and again. What that represent? That represent like this line. We are written here already. Underscore new open the next page in the new tab, but only when first click. When you click the first click, new tab will open. If you click again and again, it is not going to open the new tab again and again. Come here. Now write again underscore blank. Write underscore blank. Then we'll see what is happening in underscore blank. Okay, in underscore blank, what is happening? Let us go here. Second tab I closed, I am in the first tab. You can count. First click, one tab. Again click, two tab. In the first tab, again click, three tab. Again I click, four tab. Again I click, five tab. So how many times I click? I click total 5 times. So what happened here? You can see underscore blank, what is helping? It is helping you to open the new tab again and again. Blank tab again and again. So hope it is clear. Underscore self meaning is what? Next page will open in the same tab. Underscore new meaning is what? New tab will open but only first click. Underscore blank meaning is what? Every click it will open the new tab. Let me go to the browser and again guide you. This is as of now underscore blank. When I click, new tab open. Again I click, one more new tab open. One more I click, one more new tab open. Again I click, one more new tab open. Right or wrong? Tell me. So underscore blank meaning is what? It open the new tab again and again. Underscore new meaning is what? It open the new tab again and again. Sorry, underscore blank. Underscore blank will open the new tab again and again. Underscore new will open the only first click. It will not open again and again. How many people are clear? Keep here only, I'll take it. Okay. So hope ready. So what we'll do is, again we have next class, not tomorrow.